Hello everyone and welcome to our second episode of Milos vlog. On this video, we will take you to another unique and amazing spots on the island. Hey guys, so it's our second day here in the beautiful island of Milos. We are here at Sarakiniko. This is actually one of the most favorite spots here in Milos. It's very accessible. It's only 4 kilometers away from the port, and there's even a bus stop there, so it's super easy. And it's already around 10 in the morning and the parking space is almost full. Look at the landscape here. Everywhere you go, you always find a stray cat. Oh, that's sweet. Sarakiniko cat. So let's go down there na, Honig. There's a lot more. Oh my god, look at that. Hey friends. So from here you can already spot that dramatic rock formations, like out of this world kind of landscape. Direction to go, there or there, I don't know. I'm confused now.
Look at the rock formations.
I think I'm gonna be spending the whole day just taking photos here. It's more of like sightseeing than like for swimming actually. If you don't want to go cliff jumping, then this is for you here. This spot is for us. Island here and crystal clear water.
Sarap.
Like Benedict.
Toll.
Huh? Jump na. Dahil snorkel. Sarap. So guys, we're gonna be moving to the next spot. Still here, same place but on the other side. Guys, this is such an incredible experience to walk all the way around on this lunar beach. We really enjoyed seeing those unique rock formations. Although it's really beautiful to do a little hiking trip here after swimming, it can also be quite challenging as the most parts are very steep to walk around. So you're gonna be going up and down a lot, and yeah, please make sure to wear an appropriate footwear like a beach slip-on or much better a hiking shoes.
One slipper
did not survive.
Vorsicht!
Oh my god, ich kann nicht.
Ja, du musst so.
Oh my god. Oh my god, ich kann nicht. Mein Fuß. Mein Gott. Cliff jumpers gonna jump there, and then that's where they gonna come out. Oh, shit. It looks so scary here, guys. When I think of Milos, that White Lunar Beach or Sarakiniko is the first thing that comes to my mind. It felt so surreal to be here, and honestly, of all the places we've been to, this one here is absolutely something different. There's no doubt why it's the most picturesque spot in Milos. It's totally out of this world. And good news is it's just for free, so you don't need to pay for an entrance and parking fee. So it is also expected to be overcrowded during high season. But when we got here, it wasn't really that crowded, so consider to come here around mid to end season. Philip is flying the drone again. We're actually here on the other side where less people, and you can still go all the way there. I think there's a lot more to see there, and it's more quieter on this side. There are no snack bars or some kind of amenities around Sarakiniko, so be sure to bring your own snacks and drinks. We got so hungry, so we decided to go somewhere to eat. And we ended up at a little coastal town called Apollonia. It's about 9 kilometers from Sarakiniko. Such a pretty town filled with trendy accommodations, restaurants, and beautiful beach. We had a very laid-back late afternoon, dining while enjoying a beautiful view. So on our way back to our hotel, we also came across another beautiful beach. It's right next to a big mining factory. It looks so beautiful too, but we didn't go swimming anymore. Mining factory or something. And here's the beach right next to it. And it's actually really huge. It's all the way there. And the cliffs there are also really nice looking. It's also colorful. And we also went to Plaka. It's the capital town of Milos, and it's also the most favorite spot to catch the sunset.
Wondering where I'd be if you stayed the night. They all at that party, yeah, but I don't mind, 'cause I bought a hot pocket at the 7-Eleven. Come on, let's do it again, I'll do it over again. Just to stay in this moment with you.
Sunset is beautiful like always, but I don't think if we can wait longer here because I'm so hungry right now. We're so hungry. Oh my goodness, guys, look at this view here. It's beautiful, and we are alone here. It's just for us. So that's how you're gonna make your order. Seems like you're having an examination, huh? Greek salad with feta cheese. Try lang, kaon na. Yeah, this is my shrimp spaghetti with cream sauce. It cost 18 euros and something. And wow, I'm jealous you got rice. What is that?
Pork fillet.
Pork fillet with honey sauce.